Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite ceviche verde. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our sauce. To our blender cup, add a handful of cilantro. Chiles serranos, I'm using 5, but of course depending on how spicy you want your ceviche, it depends on how many you're going to use. 1 garlic clove, 2 inches of cucumber, half a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, and salt. We're just going to blend it into smooth. Okay, so once we have that, now we can prepare our shrimp. Okay, so here I have my shrimp all nice and clean and chopped into smaller pieces. Just going to transfer it to a larger bowl. Going to season it with some garlic salt and black pepper. Going to give it a good mix. And now we can add our green sauce. Okay, so now we're going to place it in the refrigerator and allow it to sit for about 45 minutes. Okay guys, so after 45 minutes, our shrimp should be ready. At this point, it should have changed color, so now we can get ready to finish it up. I'm going to also add some cooked shrimp, along with the tomato, onion, chile serrano, cucumber, and cilantro. Going to give it a good mix. Then once everything is well mixed, you can put it back in the refrigerator and allow it to cool for a few minutes. And then we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is seriously perfect for this time of year. It's so easy to make, it's so refreshing, it's honestly the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Ooh, that's so good. It's awesome. It's so perfect. It's a little spicy, but of course you can always control that. If you don't want it to be spicy at all, just add half a jalapeno. But it's honestly so perfect, so delicious, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious ceviche verde. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.